Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to personalize notifications on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the notifications, and can you see we got here our lock screen notifications tab there, and here we can switch the format. We can don't show our notifications on the lock screen, or also we can switch it to show notifications in content when our screen is locked. Also we'll go back, we can also just to turn on or turn off the shade of the open notification on our lock screen. Also you can here just tap on the switcher of each notification, and you can also just give a opportunity to show the notifications from this application on your screen, or just to don't show them. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.